Jesus heals the ear of Malchus. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals the ear of Malchus, found in Luke chapter 22 verses 47 to 53 and John chapter 18 verses 10 to 11. This miracle teaches us about Jesus' compassion even in moments of betrayal and violence. While Jesus was praying in the Garden of Gethsemane, Judas Iscariot arrived with a large crowd sent by the chief priests and elders. Judas betrayed Jesus with a kiss, the signal for the soldiers to seize him. As the soldiers moved in to arrest Jesus, Peter drew his sword and struck the high priest's servant, cutting off his right ear. The servant's name was Malchus, and he cried out in pain. But Jesus immediately said, "No more of this." Jesus touched Malchus' ear and healed him completely. Even in the moment of his arrest, Jesus showed love and mercy, healing one of the men who came to capture him. Then Jesus said to Peter, "Put your sword away. Shall I not drink the cup the Father has given me?" The story of Jesus heals the ear of Malchus teaches us important lessons about peace, love, and submission to God's will. First lesson: Jesus teaches us to respond to violence with peace. Matthew chapter 5 verse 9, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God." Instead of allowing his disciples to fight, Jesus chose peace and healed his enemy. Second lesson: God's plan is greater than our own. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 to 6, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding." Jesus trusted the Father's plan, even when it led to his arrest and suffering. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, Jesus teaches us to respond to conflict with peace. Second, even in betrayal, Jesus showed love and mercy. Third, God's plan is greater than our own desires. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Do I respond to conflict with peace or anger? 2. Am I trusting in God's plan even when it is difficult? 3. How can I show love and mercy to those who oppose me? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals the ear of Malchus teaches us. First lesson: Jesus teaches us to respond to violence with peace. Second lesson: God's plan is greater than our own. No matter what challenges we face, Jesus calls us to trust in God's plan and respond with love. Just as in Jesus heals the ear of Malchus, we too can experience his peace and mercy in our lives. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.